The Yourigami Kids Play Couch Green uses 4 dense foam pieces that can be rearranged into sofas, forts, ramps, and cozy loungers to match whatever kids are imagining that day. Its modular panels fold and unfold smoothly, and the attached fabric handles make it easy for children to drag pieces around and build without constant adult help. The foam is supportive yet comfortable, so toddlers can climb and jump, while older kids still get a genuinely relaxing spot for reading or gaming. Parents will appreciate that the fabric covers unzip fully and can go straight into the washing machine and dryer, which keeps the bright green color looking fresh even after messy play. When playtime is over, the sections stack into a compact footprint that slides under a bed or into a corner, so it does not permanently take over the living room. The materials are safety-tested foam rather than flimsy stuffing, so the couch holds its shape over years of daily use, instead of sagging or flattening quickly.